warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We have learned in Form 2 syllabus of the subject of Chapter 11 rotation.
Basically, a point is a precise location in space that has no size, shape, or dimension. It is represented by a dot and can be identified by its coordinates, typically given as an ordered pair x and y, in a two-dimensional plane or as an ordered triplet. Direction, on the other hand, refers to the orientation or path along which an object moves or is positioned relative to a reference point or axis. It helps us understand how objects are positioned in space and how they move from one point to another point.
Okay. And precisely, we found out that students find it difficult to get a rotation point. As a result, we took a solution one of mathematical formulas that allows us to solve 90 degrees points. These formulas are quite simple and it can solve the equation more easier.
This formula could solve 90-degree rotation point, and it is called IOI method. So let's explore further about this method.
So here are some examples for 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation. So first, we have to know the image and the object, and find the same corner to know the diagonal. How can we know the diagonal? Which is, we write down the coordinate. So here we use our technique, which is IOI. IOI, I is for clockwise and OI is for anti-clockwise. I is image, O is object. Then how about the symbol? The symbol is, we find x equal to plus plus minus. And how can we find y is minus plus plus. Then we find the x first. X is equal to the coordinate, and we calculate it use plus plus minus. We calculate in the bracket first, like 0 plus 4.5 and 2.5 minus 1. Then the example, we plus and we get x equal to 1. Then we find y. Write down the coordinate and use the symbol minus plus plus. And 0 minus to 4.5 and 2.5 plus 1. Then the example, we're going to plus it and y equal to 3.
So, this is one of the easiest method that you could use to find 90-degree rotation point. Besides that, you could easily master this technique and use it on exams. Well, that's all. Thank you for lending your eyes and ears, fellows. Goodbye.